Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Cat S53 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to find and open the settings and then scroll down to the very bottom in order to find About Phone. Now let's localize build number, which is, as you can see, at the very bottom of the list. And here we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. I know it may be quite confusing, but let's do it. What is more, be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So after activating the developer options, we have to go to the system, which should be above the About Phone. And now let's enter advanced and right here we've got the developer options, so let's enter. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So as you can see, we've got really a lot of options to choose from to customize. So for example, here we can enable or change the window animation scale. We can force the RTL layout direction. We can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to the networking or the connection, because as you can see, we've got the USB also, the Wi-Fi and the mobile data, and etc. So as I said, a lot of options to customize. And if you want to turn on the option, it basically works just like in all other settings. I mean the general settings, the basic settings. Just tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, so for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it to open more advanced settings. If you're done with customization of developer options, if you want to turn them off, just tap on the switcher on this greenish background, I would say, to turn them off. Most of the options will be inactive, and after getting back, they will simply disappear from the system list. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again if you want to. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping to activate them. Alright, so basically that's all. This is how to enable the developer options in your Cat S53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.